Rock and mineral identification is based on a system of classification that categorizes specimens into different groups based on their physical and chemical properties. Understanding the basics of rock and mineral classification is essential for accurate identification. Rocks are classified into three main types: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks form from the solidification of molten material, magma or lava. Sedimentary rocks are formed from the accumulation and lithification of sediments. And metamorphic rocks are formed from the transformation of existing rocks because of intense heat and pressure. Minerals, on the other hand, are classified based on their chemical composition and crystal structure. There are thousands of different minerals, each with its own unique combination of elements and crystal lattice arrangement. By identifying the mineral composition of a rock, you can gain insights into its formation and geological history. Igneous rocks are formed from the solidification of molten material. They can be further classified into intrusive, formed beneath the Earth's surface, and extrusive, formed on the Earth's surface, rocks. Examples of igneous rocks include granite, basalt, and obsidian. Igneous rocks often have a crystalline texture and can exhibit a wide range of colors and mineral compositions. Sedimentary rocks are formed from the accumulation and lithification of sediments. They can be classified into three main types: clastic, chemical, and organic rocks. Clastic rocks, such as sandstone and shale, are composed of fragments of pre-existing rocks. Chemical rocks, such as limestone and gypsum, are formed from the precipitation of minerals from water. Organic rocks, such as coal and limestone, are derived from the remains of plants and animals. Sedimentary rocks often exhibit layering and can contain fossils. Metamorphic rocks are formed in the transformation of existing rocks due to intense heat and pressure. They can be classified into foliated and non-foliated rocks. Foliated rocks, such as slate and gneiss, have a layered or banded appearance because of the alignment of minerals. Non-foliated rocks, such as marble and quartzite, lack a layered structure and often have a more uniform texture. Metamorphic rocks can exhibit a wide range of colors and mineral compositions, depending on the parent rock and the intensity of the metamorphic process. Understanding the characteristics of different rock types is essential for rock identification. By observing the texture, color, and mineral composition of a rock specimen, you can narrow down its classification and determine its geological significance. Minerals are the building blocks of rocks and are characterized by their chemical composition and crystal structure. Quartz is one of the most abundant minerals on Earth and can be found in a variety of colors, ranging from clear and colorless to pink, purple, and smoky. It has a hardness of 7 on the Mohs scale and often forms hexagonal prismatic crystals. Feldspar is a group of minerals that are widely distributed in the Earth's crust. They can be white, pink, yellow, or gray. Feldspar minerals have a hardness of 6 to 6.5 on the Mohs scale and often form blocky or tabular crystals. They are an important component of many igneous and metamorphic rocks. Calcite is a common mineral that is often found in sedimentary rocks such as limestone and marble. It has a hardness of 3 on the Mohs scale and can be transparent, white, or various shades of yellow, orange, and green. Calcite can exhibit a variety of crystal forms, including rhombohedral and scalenohedral. Mica is a group of minerals known for their excellent cleavage and shimmering appearance. The most common types of mica are muscovite, silver white, and biotite, dark brown to black. Mica minerals have a hardness of 2.5 to 3 on the Mohs scale and often form thin, sheet-like crystals. A rock and mineral identification chart is a valuable tool for anyone interested in identifying rocks and minerals. It provides a visual guide that helps you narrow down the possibilities and make accurate identifications. Start by inspecting the specimen you want to identify. Note down its color, texture, and any distinctive features such as crystals or fossils. This initial observation will help you narrow down the possibilities when using the identification chart. If you are identifying a rock, start by determining its rock type. Look for clues such as the presence of crystals, igneous or metamorphic, layers or fossils, sedimentary, or specific colors and textures associated with certain rock types. Use the rock classification section of the identification chart to narrow down the possibilities. If you are identifying a mineral, Focus on its physical properties, such as color, hardness, and crystal form. Use the mineral identification section of the chart to match these properties with the descriptions and images provided. Once you have identified the possible rock type and mineral, compare your observations with the descriptions and images on the chart. Look for similarities in color, texture, and other physical properties. If the characteristics match, you can confirm your identification. In today's digital age, technology has made rock and mineral identification more accessible than ever. One of the most convenient tools for identification is a rock and mineral identification app. Many rock and mineral identification apps utilize image recognition technology to identify specimens based on a photo. Take a picture of the rock or mineral, and the app will analyze its features and provide potential matches. Rock and mineral identification apps often come with extensive databases of specimens, including images, descriptions, and classification information. These databases provide a wealth of information that can help you make accurate identifications and learn more about the rocks and minerals you encounter. Besides identification features, many apps offer educational content, such as articles, videos, and quizzes. These resources can enhance your understanding of rock and mineral identification and provide insights into geological processes and Earth's history. Some rock and mineral identification apps have features that allow users to interact with a community of fellow rock enthusiasts. You can share your findings, ask questions, and learn from others' experiences. This sense of community can greatly enrich your rock hounding journey. When choosing a rock and mineral identification app, consider factors such as the app's user interface, compatibility with your device, and the accuracy and reliability of its identification algorithms. It's also a good idea to read reviews and seek recommendations from experienced rock hounds.
If you prefer a more traditional approach to rock and mineral identification, there are numerous free resources available online. These resources include comprehensive identification guides, interactive identification tools, and educational websites. Here are some popular online sources for free rock and mineral identification guides. Minerals.net. Minerals.net offers a vast collection of mineral identification guides, articles, and images. The website allows you to search for minerals by name, color, and other physical properties. It also provides educational content on mineralogy and geology. Geology.com. Geology.com features a wide range of rock and mineral identification resources, including articles, maps, and interactive tools. The website offers a rock identification key that guides you through a series of questions to help you identify rocks based on their characteristics. USGS Mineral Resources Program. The U.S. Geological Survey USGS Mineral Resources Program provides a wealth of information on rocks and minerals found in the United States. Their website features interactive maps, databases, and publications that can assist in rock and mineral identification. Mindat.org. Mindat.org is a community-driven database of minerals and localities from around the world. The website allows you to search for minerals by name, locality, and other criteria. It also provides information on mineral properties, occurrences, and associated rocks. These are just a few examples of the many free rock and mineral identification guides available online. Explore these resources and discover the wealth of knowledge that awaits you. Tips for successful rock and mineral identification. Identifying rocks and minerals can be a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. To improve your success rate and enhance your rock hounding experience, here are some tips to keep in mind. Develop your observational skills. The key to successful rock and mineral identification lies in careful observation. Train your eyes to notice details such as color variations, crystal shapes, and textures. Take your time to examine specimens from different angles and under different lighting conditions. Record your observations. Keep a rock and mineral identification journal or logbook to record your observations, including the location, date, and description of each specimen. This record will serve as a valuable reference and help you track your progress over time. Consult multiple resources. When identifying rocks and minerals, consult multiple resources to cross-reference the information. Different sources may provide different perspectives and insights, increasing the accuracy of your identification. Join a rock hounding club. Consider joining a local rock hounding club or society to connect with fellow enthusiasts. These clubs often organize field trips, workshops, and lectures that can enhance your knowledge and skills in rock and mineral identification. Handle specimens with care. When handling rocks and minerals, be mindful of their fragility and potential hazards. Some minerals may be toxic or release harmful dust particles when disturbed. Use appropriate safety precautions and handle specimens with gloves or protective equipment when necessary. By following these tips and continuously honing your skills, you will become a proficient rock and mineral identifier and gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the Earth. Resources for further rock and mineral identification. For those eager to dive deeper into the world of rock and mineral identification, there are numerous resources available. My absolute favorite is Mineralogy, an introduction to the study of minerals and crystals by Edward Henry Krause et al. Other books, such as A Field Guide to Rocks and Minerals by Frederick H. Poff and National Audubon Society Field Guide to North American Rocks and Minerals by Charles W. Chesterman, provide detailed information and stunning photographs. Additionally, online forums and social media groups dedicated to rock and mineral identification can connect you with fellow enthusiasts and experts who can offer guidance and support. Conclusion: rock and mineral identification is an exciting and rewarding endeavor that allows us to unravel the Earth's hidden treasures. By understanding the characteristics and classification of rocks and minerals, we can gain insights into our planet's geological history and unlock the secrets of its formation. Whether you're a professional geologist, a rock collector, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, the ultimate rock and mineral identification guide is your gateway to a world of discovery. So grab your tools, explore the great outdoors, and uncover the wonders that lie beneath our feet.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.